Welcome to this module on early humans, the ways of obtaining food. So far, we have learned how the skeletal remains have become the evidences and seeing how these have been used to reconstruct the histories of the movement of people across the continents. Till now, we discussed, basing on the fossil fuels and the evidences that are found, how the historians have reconstructed the history of the early man and how did they move from one place to another place or one continent to the other continents. So in this module, we are going to learn how did the early humans obtain their food. Early humans have obtained food through a number of ways. As you can see, one, by gathering the food that is found, the dead animals, the fruits, all those things. Now, second is hunting. They used to hunt the animals, as you can see here. Third, scavenging, finding the dead things or fallen things. And last is fishing. So, early human did not only obtain food by hunting. He had 4 different ways: by gathering, hunting, scavenging and fishing. Now, gathering involved what kind of food items? Gathering involved the collecting of plant foods such as the seeds, the nuts, the berries, the fruits and the tubers. So, in gathering, the early human used to collect from plant food such as the seeds, nuts, the berries, the fruits and the tubers. So, the early human has to obtain food. That is a natural process. We might feel hungry. So, how did they do this one? They are doing it in 4 different ways, like gathering food, hunting, scavenging and fishing. Now, the only way of getting information about the plant intake would be if the plant remains were burnt accidentally. So when they were burnt accidentally completely, the burnt ash remains. Through that burnt ash, we will be able to find out through the carbonization process what was the food intake that they were taking from the plants. How do we come to know what they are taking from the plants? It is only if the plant remains were burnt accidentally. And this process results in carbonization. So we will be able to know through this process of carbonization what has been the food intake by the early man from the plants. And the organic matter is preserved for the long span of time. How we will be able to know? Because the organic matter gets remained and preserved for a long period of time. However, so far, the archaeologists have not found any much evidences of carbonized seeds for this very early period. So till now, though through the process of carbonization, we will be able to know what were the plant remains or what was the plant intake, but till now, so far, as of now, the archaeologists have not found much evidences of carbonized seeds for this very early period. The early humans would have been obtained food through gathering, hunting, scavenging and fishing. What he used to collect? He used to collect from the plants in the form of seeds, nuts, the berries, the fruits and the tubers. The scavenging. What is the activity of the scavenging? The early humans scavenged for meat of the animals that had died or had been killed by the other predators of the forest. The small mammals such as rodent, birds, reptiles, even the insects were eaten by the early human. So early human used to not only have the food that is hunted by him or by hunting the animals, he used to also search for the animals that are being dead or have been killed by other predators. These small animals such as the rodents, birds, reptiles and even the insects were being a food for the early man, and early man used to eat even them. Hunting probably began about 5 lakh years ago. So man began hunting around 5 lakh years ago. In recent times, there has been a term, hunting has been under discussion by the scholars. Increasingly, they suggested that the early humanoids are scavenged or foraged for meat, marrow from the carcasses of animals and that died naturally or been killed by the predators. But sometimes it is equally possible that small mammals such as rodents, birds, reptiles, even insects were eaten by the early hominids. So what is eaten by the early hominids is not only the dead animals but also the small mammals are being the food for early human. That is the hominids. That's all we have in this module. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next.